Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Arabic Language Academy. Ahlan wa sahlan wa marhaban bikum. In this lesson, we are going to learn the forms of letters and makharij, inshallah. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Alif, Ba, Ta, Fa, Jim, Ha, Kha, Dal, Val, Ra, Za, Sin, Shin, Sad, Dad, Ta, Dha, Ain, Ghain, Fa, Qaf, Kaf, Lam, Mim, Noon, Waw, Ha, Lam Alif, Ya, and Ta Marbuta or round Ta. Now let's learn how to pronounce each letter. Lower throat letters: A, Ha, A, Ha. Middle throat letters: Ha, A, Ha, A. Upper throat letters: Kha, Gha, Kha, Gha. Far tongue letters: Qa, Ka, Qa, Ka. Middle tongue letters: Ja, Sha, Ya, Ja, Sha, Ya. Tip tongue letters: Ta, Fa, Da, Dha, Ra, Za, Sa, Sa, Ta, Dha, La, Na. Over here. Side tongue letters: Dha. Lips letters: Ba, Fa, Ma, Wa. And finally nasal gunna letters: Ma, Na. And these letters must be read with full mouth. Kha, Sa, Da, Ta, Dha, Gha, and Qa. And these letters must be pronounced with tongue and lips together. The tongue must be placed between lips. Fa, Dha, Dha. Fa, Dha, and Dha. Letters that are not joined with the next letter: Alif, Dal, Dhal, Ra, Za, Waw. And finally similar sounding letters: A, A, Ta, Ta, Fa, Sa, Sa, Ha, Ha, Kha, Gha, Da, Da, Dha, Za, Dha, Qa, Ka. See you next lesson. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.